Okay, for the next is a second section about the differences and the connection between psycholinguistic and neurolinguistic. Wait, wait. Okay, what is the differences between psycholinguistic and neurolinguistic? As we know before, Sekia explain the definition about psycholinguistic and neurolinguistic, right? Nah, psycholinguistic is explain the structure of the language and how the structure of the language is obtained. The psycholinguistic is focused on the acquisition of language as well as trying to understand the perspective on the process or production of language that occurs in the brain. Neurolinguistic. The relationship between work of the human brain to process and produce language activities. Neurolinguistics is more focused on effort to create a neural program model. The reconstruction of the brain's work in processing, speaking, listening, reading, and writing. Now, neurolinguistics itself tries to understand how the brain digests language, which is then conveyed through several words and sentences. So, neurolinguistics is used to understand speech difficulties or language disorder, which includes which include reading, speaking, and listening and writing. And then psycholinguistic include cognitive process that may produce sentences that have meaning and are grammatically correct from grammatical structure, of course, and vocabulary, including process that make expression, words, writing understandable. Now, so what is the connection between psycholinguistic and neurolinguistic? They study about psycholinguistic and neurolinguistic, or they study about the language processing steps that are required for speaking and understanding words and sentences, right? No. They both study how the language process, and how the language is produced. Now, psycholinguistic studies about how we process language, how we produce language, and it is related to memory. For the example, our first language is our mother tongue, which we cannot choose, right? We cannot choose because our mother tongue is obtained from we are child. We where we learn it without realizing it, or related to memory, which will be processed through the brain. Nah, then the brain produce a language. Uh, that is that is the relationship between neurolinguistic and psycholinguistic, the process of understanding and producing language in the brain studies in neurolinguistic, which is then produce psycholinguistic. Now, related to the process of second and for first and second language, and also of language processing in disorder of speech. The psycholinguistic is the sort. Oh, sorry. So related to the process of first and second language, and also of language processing in disorder of speech. The psycholinguistic is the source of neurology part of brain which handle of all of parts of body or the cycle of human. That's all. For the next will be explained my partner.